What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm gonna have a quick install today because I kind of did something very stupid. So you know, when headlights get condensation, right, you could put them in the oven and open them up, right, and you know, clean the inside of it or whatever, and then reseal them. But like the dumbass I am, I put the heat a little bit too high and I melted them. Yeah. So I recently got new headlights. I'll show you them in a minute, but first let me show you what happened to my old headlights. All right, I have the light on for you to see better because it's really dark at night right now. It's about 5:25, but you see what happened here? It's like all bubbly and yellow and crusty, and it looks like a fungus took over my headlights. Same thing over here in the high beam side. This side I didn't try with this side because this one was okay, but they're faded and ugly anyways, so might as well just get new ones, right? So I got these headlights from eBay. They were about like $80. I'll probably put the link in the description if I remember. But they're the same one that Zosh has on his Integra, if you know who that is. I'll give you a quick look. I'm gonna be going to my friend Albert's garage because it's very cold out right now and I don't have a garage. Also, I got new headlights because these are not compatible with my stock bulbs, so I got some aux beams right here since they're H1s, but I'll show you guys the headlights when I arrive at Albert's, so I'll be back. Alright, so just arrived at the garage. Let me introduce you to everybody real quick. That's Calvin. Hello. Albert. The other mechanic. Yawan. Can't even see his face because that bright ass light. That's the shop dad. He's currently working on his Lexus right here. Alright, there we go. It was automatic. He swapped himself to stick. Gonna go turbo soon too. Super drop. The bumper's right there, so don't worry. You're gonna have to talk louder because of the freaking furnace. I'm gonna see if I can give you guys a little preview of the garage real quick. You know, but you can see what we're messing with. Here we go.
Back on the Teggy. Another day working on this beast. What we doing today, Mike?
That's it.
One eternity later.
Alright, we're back now. We're gonna start by taking off this bumper. You see these little bolts right here? That's all you gotta take off for the Integra bumper. Like mine, as you can see, my shit didn't even have screws compared to probably yours that's all nice and clean. Mine's all dirty because it's been abused. So here we go. This is obviously too powerful, so we're gonna use a little screwdriver.
See, the hammer works. These little guns is drugs, so check it out. Look at this right here, look at this. 1, 2, 3, bing, bang, boom. Nothing breaks, everything comes out smooth.
You know
You a magnet?
We don't run into that kind of luck every day in a Honda.
Facts.
So appreciate it.
You probably don't have a lip like I do, so this probably doesn't pertain to you.
But if y'all do, there's a couple bolts right here. Show it to the mic.
That's 1 and 2. And you just have to take them out. But let's move the wheels.
Best bet, yeah, I was about to say that.
Same thing on the other side. No, you gotta take off the blinker lights. There's only one screw in there, or two, right? No, just one, because the other one's in a bracket.
Magnets, guys, magnets. Always use a magnet. Shit.
Alright, so then after this, all you gotta do is take off those two 10mm bolts,
Oh, I gotta get an extension.
which are literally right above them, right there. And then there's one all the way back here, right there, if you can see it. And then that's all. Yeah, so this is what the headlights look like. And as you can see, obviously why I'm changing them. They're literally all melted in and freaking caved in. And all nasty and rusted and yellow. But these are the new ones, which I never showed you guys. Nice and clean, black housing. And these are the little freaking connectors we gotta wire up now.
You already know what JDM was for.
This is for the halo lights. Alright, so for the headlights, they have this little rubber cover on them. All Albert did was cut a little hole for the fan, as you can see right there, for it could breathe. So I'm gonna have to, you know, retouch that a little bit just for it could be like perfect. And then all you gotta do is reconnect it back. If I was you guys, I'll leave the headlights a little loose because there's like no way of making sure the headlights are straight. And when you connect the LED lights, the ones I got, the aux beam ones, which I'll show you at the end, I had to push them in all the way because they weren't turning on, and the only problem was that we didn't push them in all the way. So just make sure you push them in all the way as much as you can without breaking them. There's a little pin on there, if you can see a little black pin. That's the only problem connecting these LED lights, because they're a little freaking hassle. We were gonna wire in the halo lights, but as you can see, the people I bought this car from, they messed with the wiring, and it's like literally disgusting. Like if you pull on any of these wires, they'll literally fall off. Like it's disgusting. I don't understand why they were messing with this at all. Alright, welcome back, guys. Finally finished after those freaking wires were all messed up. I'm outside now because I had to leave Albert's garage, but I'm home now. You guys ready to see the new headlights? They came out beautiful. I cannot thank Albert enough. Like literally lifesaver. I could have done it on my own, but you know, he did all the wiring, and plus he has a garage and it's super cold outside, so thank God for him. So this is what they look like off. Nice and clean. Sorry it's so dark out, it's already night, but this is how I could show you what they look like. This is what they look like when they have the daytime running lights on. Really nice and beautiful. See, that's from the front. And then when you turn on the LED lights that I installed, super bright, like amazingly bright. Look at that. My old LED lights never did that before. I was only able to see like around maybe like 5 feet, not even. Now I can see like freaking half a mile. That's what it feels like. But I think there was a problem with my LED lights, because if I recall, on the left side right here, this is the passenger side right now. On the left side, this would be the low beam side, the one with the actual little dome thingy in it. Forgot what it's called. And it doesn't fit. So I put it on the other side right here, as you can see, which will be my high beams. So I don't know if I'm gonna be blinding people until I get that fixed, but hopefully I don't, and I don't get pulled over or cause a crash. So again, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for anything else I'm gonna do to this car, which is gonna be a lot. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Catch you in the next one.